Maintenance. Follow the recommendations of the instructions manual on the components to be maintained and the maintenance periods. It is especially important the pinion and its bearings maintenance. Pinion and its bearings disassembly. In order to get to the pinion and its bearings, previously we must release the cap tool holder assembly. The Acme head design has been specially developed for rapid access to the riveting machine cinematic mechanism, without the need of disassembling the pneumatic or hydraulic piston. We must take out the coarse mechanical stop and screwing it completely. Then we release the 4 screws that fix the assembly and we are able to take out the riveting machine cinematic. On a clean working table, we disassemble the rotor and the screw that fixes the pinion. We clean all components and substitute the damaged parts. Then we apply a specific grease for bearings in all of them, and finally we reassemble the parts in the reverse process. We assemble the kinematic mechanism and assure that the square transmission fits in the correct place. If it does not fit in the first time, try turning it several times previously. Finally, if the head has a manual greasing system, we must grease the assembly with 2 doses of the manual pump. If the head has automatic grease system, we will apply 2 doses to the piston of the automatic device. Before riveting, please check that the riveting tool movement is correct. The end must remain rigid. If it is not this way, please repeat the process. You did not probably introduce the tool holder in the end of the pinion, or the relation between the radius and the riveting tool length is not the correct one. If you observe any anomaly, repeat the process and consult the instructions manual.